Hello, my name is Anna. I am volunteering at UNESCO BMW program, and I'm here to share something truly special with you. So, in today's world where everything moves so fast, it is easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why we created Rewind for Pursuit of Happiness, which is free community program designed to empower teenagers with the tools they need to cultivate inner peace and to live more fulfilling lives. Experience our wellness sessions, stress relief and mental wellness. Learn important relaxation techniques, including guided meditation and mindfulness practices to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Engaging workshops. Participate in interactive workshops that teach you practical coping mechanisms for navigating life's challenges. Supportive community. Connect with other teens in a supportive environment where you can share your experiences and learn from each other. Personal growth. Explore your values, develop self-awareness, and align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your inner compass. Plus, you can also receive a certificate of recognition upon completing the program successfully. So yeah, that's it. Rewind your path to the better life.